Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact text you need. Tap and hold, then drag the selection handles to include punctuation and spacing. Once done, tap Copy so the text moves to the clipboard. This preserves formatting in many apps. If you have another Apple device signed into the same iCloud, Universal Clipboard sends the copy automatically, so you can paste on that device instead. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and awake when copying. Locked screens may block immediate sync. You now move to the app where the text belongs. Tap to position the cursor and long press to reveal paste options. If you need to change the copied text, paste into Notes first, edit, then select and copy again. This ensures the exact phrasing you want. Once edited, choose Paste or Paste and match style depending on whether you want to keep original formatting. If you're using an external keyboard, Command-C and Command-V speed this up. For images, try Split View Drag and Drop for fidelity. You finish by verifying the paste. If something's off, undo the action with a 3-finger swipe left and correct the source text, then copy and paste again. If the clipboard won't accept new content or fails between devices, copy a single character to clear it, then restart the iPhone. That often restores clipboard function. Finally, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, iCloud is signed in, and iOS is up to date, so Universal Clipboard and System paste behaviors work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.